Good morning, guys. Today's plan is to do hiking. Hiking will be something between 15 and 20 kilometers. I need to burn a little bit of fat. And today we may see a little bit of snow because right now it's plus 1 degree Celsius and later it will maybe about 0. Last time I was stuck in here. It doesn't look like much, but the mud itself is very wet and it just sucks the car, and used the farm jack as a winch. Giant mushroom. Broke off somehow. This is a small evidence of military activity. This may be suitable for my camera. No one will see me. Pew pew pew. Like shallow improvised trench in here. But it's very visible from the road. Parkour! Yeah! Who cares? Cheese, nut bar, water. I'm dressing one more extra layer because I feel it's getting cold, especially when I'm not moving. I'm quickly eating whatever I have, and I will keep moving very quickly. Done maybe, I don't know, 12 or 15 kilometers, but not 20. And done. Thank you guys for watching. It's time for me to go home. See you on my next adventure. Goodbye.